Welcome to Autumn Brands in beautiful Carpinteria, California.
I am the Director of Operations and Wholesale. I handle everything from strain selection, labor management, HVAC, wholesale of the product to the end consumer. Autumn Brands is definitely a family company. Not only is it family owned and operated, a lot of our employees are also family working throughout the farm, and it's something that we take a lot of pride in. Coming from a huge corporation before, I was number 278,448. Here I'm Matthew. I've been really impressed with Autumn Brand's quality of flower and where we've taken the brand. We have really great flower that's going out to California consumers. One of the things that I'm most proud of is it's pesticide and spray-free. There's no organic oils, there's no neem oils. They had a consultant come out. The health consultant wouldn't guarantee us that spraying these organic essential oils on the plant was safe to smoke. Having that pesticide spray-free flower and product just takes it to the next level, I think, not only with the taste, but with the safety for the end consumer. The journey to automation was a wild ride. We started off hand packing everything in jars before LeafyPack got here. Small family operated, self-funded company. Slowly started to grow the flower brand, and as that need came into place, we just kept scaling labor, and at a certain point, it wasn't making sense, and automation would help us and would pencil out to a quick payback if we were able to implement it correctly. The biggest thing with automation for us has been being able to pack on demand. We've been able to meet the ebbs and the flows of the market much better than with hand packing. One week we might have an order for 15,000 different SKUs of jars. That would have been impossible before we got the automation. When we hit those high output weeks, the LeafyPack machine is easily able to pump through any volume that we need. We went from having our production be the bottleneck to now our sales be the bottleneck. One thing about automation that in my experience, no matter what industry, no matter what you're doing, is it's only as good as the machine and if it works. And breakdowns are a killer of payback. Breakdowns have a huge impact on your branded sales or any sort of sales. With this machine, we have in the last 2.5, 3 years, we have been down for 1 week, and I think that is just an amazing, testament to LeafyPack and the quality of the machines that they produce. We were also pleased with the service that LeafyPack was willing to stand behind. When we first got the machine, we had some hiccups. There was a learning curve. Some of the design components didn't quite work the way we had hoped. The whole LeafyPack team stood behind their machine. They came out, they fixed what needed to be fixed, and once we got that machine dialed in after a few months, the throughput and the consistency, the reliability of it has been amazing. Everyone was very happy. We were able to go from packing and letting stuff sit to a pack on demand model where we're only sending out to dispensaries what's going to be sold in the next month. And the overall quality of our brand, because of that, has improved greatly. Having that fresh flower delivered every week as the dispensaries need it is key to having a good, positive consumer experience. I would definitely recommend LeafyPack.